So I've got 3 rare LV unboxings for you today, including an error that LV made, but it's totally in my favor and I cannot wait to tell you the story. Hi my loves, welcome back. So today's video, I have got some goodies to show you and something I did not expect at all. There's going to be a little bit of story time on that and I'm just really excited to show you what that is. So if you guys are new to my channel, I would love for you to join the fam. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell to join our family. So I'm going to get right into the very first reveal. First up is something in this box here, and I am just going to unbox it now. And I have been waiting for this, and it is really hard to get now. Any guesses? It is, dun dun dun. Yes, this is the Toiletry size 19, and this sort of completes my trifecta. As you know, the Toiletry comes in 3 sizes, 26, 19, and 15. And I know a lot of people say, oh, the toiletries are discontinued because you can't find them on the website anymore. And there's varying stories, like some people have asked their sales associates or client advisors and they're like, no, it's not discontinued. And some people are like, no, but my SA told me it's discontinued. Honestly, in my opinion, I don't think that they're fully discontinued. I feel like LV's just holding the stock back. This is just my opinion, by the way. And you know, if you go into store and check it out and ask them, they may get it. It's just that they may get the shipments of these pieces a lot more sporadically. When I heard the news a while back that, you know, they may be discontinuing it, I've always wanted a 19, but I was in no rush to get it. So I asked my sales associate if he sees one to let me know, and that's exactly what he did. And these, I know a lot of people are saying they're impossible to get, it's really hard to get, and it's true, it's become a rare item. Their monogram pieces are becoming rare because they're definitely going along the lines where they want their customers to buy more leather. So this piece here, yes, it's a toiletry pouch. So inside it's all synthetic wipeable lining because, you're supposed to use it for your toiletries, but it also can be used as like a mini clutch, or if you wanted, you can get an insert from Samorga with the chains and then make it into a little bag. With my size 26, I like to use that sometimes as a clutch. I know some people don't like the look of that all the time, but for me, it's just sometimes you can use it like that. It's just options, or you can wear it with a chain handle and then that kind of looks like the Kosan. So this particular one is made in Spain. My other 2, I think one's made in Spain and one is made in France. Not that I think it really matters with the quality. A lot of people ask me, should I get made in Spain or made in France or made in USA? And I feel like made in Spain, the quality is really good. So that is my first reveal, and the price of this, it might even be on here. The price of this is 720 Australian dollars. Okay, so before I get into the story of that exciting error that LV made, which is actually not even just in my favor, but in your favor, I do want to share some exciting news with you, and that is that I have come out with 2 more new silk pieces for Lilysilk. Guys, I am just blown away that you guys love all my previous silk shirts from the past, and that is why I'm able to continue collaborating with them. I love doing this. A lot of you guys know that previously I used to be a fashion buyer, so this is really combining this product development aspect that I miss so much, and I'm just like so happy and grateful. So let me tell you about the very first item. Yes, I'm actually wearing it. This is actually called the MIM Blazer Blouse, and I was kind of inspired. I've been looking at more designer ready to wear, and there's a brand called the RARE. and it's by Mary-Kate and Ashley. It's been around for quite a number of years, but the style is quite, you know, minimal and clean and everything like that. And you know, I wanted to create something that was versatile, that is really minimal, but you can dress up and down really easily. So the color that I'm wearing is called Dark Camel because I wanted a beautiful neutral, and the blouse can be worn so many different ways. So of course I had to do it in black as well. So as you can see, when it's undone, it almost acts like, you know, a drapey cardigan. It's got these lapels. Let me just hold it up a bit more. So you can wear it undone just like this, or it's actually got this button here, which is just self-colored, or you can button this up and wear it as a crossover sort of blouse, and it looks a lot more fitted and slim. Inside here as well, there's even another hidden button. So if you just do this up, the hem can actually look asymmetrical as well. And the back is just completely plain. I based it on their best-selling, you know, shirt. So the fit is just gorgeous. And the cuffs, I just wanted to keep it really simple, really minimal. So you can wear it at home. You can wear it, you know, for your Zoom meetings, or if you tuck it in and wear it with a skirt, it completely dresses the whole top up. So this is the MIM Blazer Blouse, and the one that sort of, as I said, inspired me, but that one's a lot more relaxed than oversized. So I wanted something a little bit more tailored and would just be a staple in your wardrobe. So that one, I think with the row retailed at like about 1,700 USD. So this silk version is only 145 USD, but Lilysilk actually have their 11th anniversary sale, which actually finishes on the 31st of August. It's better than their Black Friday sales, and if you buy one item, you get the second one at 40% off, and that's across all their women's items. And I also have an exclusive code. No one has this code. I only could get it for 24 hours. But if you put in the code MIM16 off, you will get an additional 16% off their promo. So if you buy one, get the second one 40% off, and then that total, another 16% off. So that's only for 24 hours. So besides black and the beautiful dark camel, of course, it comes in the stunning white as well. So a really versatile blouse. I even did it with a curved hem. So if you wear it untucked, it just looks really polished. And there's actually really soft shoulder pads in this MIM Blazer blouse. And it just, I think, helps with the tailoring. So that's the first item. And the second item, yes, I am wearing, it is this lace camisole. I think lace camisoles, I wear lace camisoles all the time. You guys already know how much I love silk. Like all the plain Lilysilk ones, I pretty much own in every color. But you know me, I love lace as well. But I wanted to find the ideal lace camisole that could be worn two ways. So let me present to you, and I am wearing the dark camel color as well, my MIM 2-in-1 lace camisole. And why is it 2-in-1? I designed it so that you can wear it two different ways. So as you can see, the front has a bit more of a deeper V, and it's got this beautiful scalloped lace, but you can also turn it around, and this is just a little bit more of a simplistic lace, and this is just comes up a touch higher. So whether you want to wear it this way or you want to wear it this way, it's up to you. It's like two lace silk camis in one. And I thought this was so versatile, and I thought this was the perfect camisole for your wardrobe. I think it elevates any look, whether you want to wear it just with denim or you want to wear it, you know, with a more tailored skirt. It's really up to you. A lace silk camisole, in my opinion, is a must for any wardrobe. So this piece here, I'm so happy with the price. We really worked on the price of this. Is only $89 USD. It's 100% silk. All this is 100% quality silk. And this one I did in a variety of colors. So if you wanted something matching, yes, it comes in the dark camel as I'm wearing. If you wanted a twin set to go with the MIM Blazer blouse, it comes in black, It comes in white. It comes in pink, this beautiful rosy pink. Of course, I had to do a pink. It also comes in a brand new color, and it's this beautiful sort of chocolatey brown. And I think it's perfect for all year round. I love a good neutral, and I actually don't even own a dark brown chocolate sort of singlet, so I wanted one as well. So yes, and I forgot to mention, it's all got thin adjustable straps on every single one of them. So brown, and the final color is, of course, I had to do my signature emerald green. You know, it all started with my MIM 2-in-1 shirt, which I did in this beautiful emerald green, and now it's become part of their collection. So if you do own that shirt, I had to create this because, you know, you could wear this under that shirt as well. And I've done other blouses in that. If you go to Lilysilk, there's actually a whole section which are the designs that I've created for them. So do go check that out. So yeah, I just love that you can wear it two ways. So this is only 89 USD. I've seen so many silk camisoles go for way, way more. But remember, you can always buy one, get one 40% off, and then use my code MIM16 off, which is only valid for 24 hours. After that, it will just revert to my normal code, which is the 15% off, but I'll leave everything in the description bar below. So guys, I really hope you like the two new designs. I wanted something really simple, really classic, something you can just wear for years and years to come. So it's just launched right now. But yeah, make use of the sale because that finishes on the 31st. So I'll link everything below. Okay guys, now it's a little bit of a story time. I did not think that I would be able to get this piece. No way. So let me just unbox it and show it to you, and then sort of tell you the story while I'm unboxing it. So this, guys, is the item I'm talking about, and you're thinking, oh, it's just tiny, Mel. Just wait. I cannot believe this. So in here is a super rare item. People are still going nuts for it, still looking for it. I actually can't even find it on the pre-loved market. Oh my goodness. I got, dun, 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 dun. I know, right? This is the watercolor, the limited edition watercolor pocket organizer. Now you guys know that I recently gave one of these away during my 250k giveaway, and the winner already has been announced. During my 250k, I think I gave away 3 different prizes. But anyway, for those of you that didn't hear the story, when I revealed this as the part 3 of my giveaway, I actually asked my friend in Asia to get it for me. And there was such a fiasco. Like, she ordered it, then LV cancelled it. She ordered it, then LV cancelled it. Finally, we were able to get it. Then she sent it to me. So to cut a long story short, because she thought that she couldn't get this piece, she also asked her sales associate in Asia. And so her SA did actually put in an order of this, saying it probably isn't going to be fulfilled, but I'll just put it in anyway. So it was in the system. So then my friend got a call from her store SA and said, do you still want the LV watercolor organizer? Because I completely forgot to cancel the order that you had placed, even though you had told me that you had got one from the online and one just came in. Sometimes LV's like that. Like, some of the SAs, they don't even know what stock they'll be receiving, and sometimes it can be a surprise. So that error, well, I see it as an error because they forgot to cancel it. She happened to get another one, and I'm like, yes, get it. Yes, get it. And guys, this isn't for me. This is for you. And so I was thinking, what's another reason we can just celebrate? I'm not at 300k yet, but I got this and I want to give it. So September. September is a good month. I'm a September baby. Hubby's a September baby. We met in September. So let's just call it celebrating the whole birthday month of September. So I'm going to be giving this away when it's my birthday. How about that? So I hope you guys love it. This is the second one I'm giving away. I'm just so wrapped that I even have this piece to give to you. So error in my favor, or error in your favor, I should say. Okay, and then the final item, which is super rare and hard to get. And I think I have been put on this waiting list for 6 months or so. I wasn't in any rush. It just took ages, and I'm patient. I'm like, if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it came. So in this bigger box here, I don't know if you guys will be able to guess this. It is, okay, so this piece is like, you're either gonna love it or you're not gonna think it's worth it, but I think it's super special. You know, I love kind of arty things, right? Is it? Yeah, it's arty. Okay, how am I gonna get this out? All right, so there's a little booklet. All right, just bear with me, guys. Oh. And in here, can you see? It is, okay, they really wrapped this up. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me just put the box down. So this, guys, now excuse my pronunciation, is the Petite Boîte Chapeau porcelain vase. And yes, it is shaped in, you know, the iconic hat box shape. And I just think it is gorgeous. So yes, it is in porcelain, and it's got the beautiful LV embossing. It's even got the little name tag with the LV. And yes, what I want to do is get a special artificial arrangement put in here. I might put some of my artificial flowers for now, but I just want something really nice. And I'm thinking of this to go in my new bag and shoe room, which I haven't even started yet, but I am planning for it. And I just think this would be the perfect piece for it because I love bags, I love art. So this is from their homewares collection. And this is pretty pricey, guys, but do you know that when it came out, it sold out so quick, and even people on the waiting list for ages. So I don't think that they make that many of them. So this retails for 2,160 Australian dollars. Yep, I know, expensive, but a very special piece in my opinion. And I definitely wanted to add this beauty to my collection. So that is it for this video, guys. My 3 rare LV reveals, including one for you. And, you know, I'll tell you all about that in a later video when we're celebrating my birthday. There's going to be a giveaway for you too. Well, a surprise giveaway for my beloved family. So in terms of the Lilysilk anniversary sale, it's not just on the clothing. If you want silk PJs, pillowcases, personally, I love silk pillowcases. I use mine all the time. They've got all of that included in the sale as well. So guys, if you were interested in purchasing any of my new Lilysilk pieces, which is my new MIM Blazer Blouse, or my MIM 2-in-1 Lace Silk Camisole. All the links are below. It's buy one, get one 40% off. And don't forget to use my code MIM16 off, which is the highest code, so you can get an additional 16% off. So I really hope you love it, and I hope you like that little surprise and that little bit of story time, how LV made an error, but we gained from it, didn't we? So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you soon in my next one. Bye, guys.